latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
57,117 COVID-19 cases and 764 deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours in India. Total COVID-19 cases in India stand at 16,95,988. Currently, there are 5,65,103 active cases and 10,94,582 people who have been cured and discharged. Meanwhile, the death toll in India has climbed to 36,511. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh contribute to over 70% of the cases in the country. Maharashtra reports the highest number of cases in India. As on August 1st, the active cases stand at 1,50,966, recovered cases stand at 2,56,158, deaths have risen to 14,994 and total cases stand at 4,22,118 in Maharashtra. Tamil Nadu reports the second highest number of cases in the country. As on 1st August, the active cases in Tamil Nadu stand at 57,968, recovered cases stand at 1,83,956, deaths have risen to 3,935 and total cases stand at 2,34,114. Karnataka has the third highest number of active cases in the country. As on 1st August, the active cases in Karnataka stand at 72,005, recovered cases stand at 49,788, deaths have risen to 2,314 and total cases stand at 1,24,115. Andhra Pradesh has the third highest number of COVID-19 cases in the country. As on 1st August, the active cases in Andhra Pradesh stand at 75,720, recovered cases stand at 63,864, deaths have risen to 1,349 and total cases stand at 1,40,933. The total number of COVID-19 samples tested up to 31st July is 1,093,58,659. 5,25,689 samples were tested on Friday. Worldwide, the COVID-19 pandemic continues to wreak havoc. US and Brazil have more COVID-19 cases than India.